What's up, everyone? It's Shanice, aka China Irie, aka Pineapple Styles, and I am back with another hair tutorial. This is going to be a vibrant ombre hair tutorial, and this will be a zonal color. My client doesn't want all of her hair colored, just the part that I sectioned out. So the part that I pinned up into a bun, I am just covering with conditioner because conditioner will fill the cuticle and it will prevent the lightener from getting on that section.
On a Saturday, sneaking out of the door like you know the way. 1,000 times before, back at light of day. I trail the smoke when you stroll, hotel corridors. I can tell with your silence. Oh, you figured it out down to a science. I give it to you just for trying. What is a love without a heartbreak? 'Cause I know it's the price I need to pay.
After I've finished applying the conditioner, I'm going in with step 1 of the Botanical Repair Treatment by Aveda. It's something similar to Olaplex, not the same thing because Olaplex has like a patent, but it does the same. It has the same like effect where it's supposed to protect the bonds in your hair and just keep it from damaging your hair. So since her hair is previously lightened, I'm spraying step 1, and then step 2 was put into the lightener that's going to go on her roots. It is important to brush this product through the hair just to make sure it is evenly distributed.
Got my heart in chains. Didn't know that your love's like the submarine. You come and go as you please. Why can't I escape? I wanna go catch a plane, fly to San Tropez, and it feels like I'm dreaming.
Now I'm going in and applying the lightener. The formula that I used for her roots is 30 grams of enlightener, 30 grams of 20 volume, and 8 pumps of Botanical Repair, step number 2. I had covered her hair in foil to help the processing, but now I'm showing you that I'm finished. We are taking off the foils and about to shampoo her hair. So let's get to shampooing. After I finished shampooing, I applied her pre-toner formula, in which I just used some light copper mixed with 0N and 10 liquid. So I'm blow drying her hair to prepare to apply the Vibrance line because with Aveda Vibrance Color, you are only supposed to apply it on dry hair.
1,000 times before, back at light of day. I trail the smoke when you stroll, hotel corridors.
So I realized there was this line of demarcation. I was trying so hard to make sure her hair didn't get over processed, but in that effort, I left out, I guess, some spots. Like the lightener didn't swell as much as I wanted. So what I did was cover up the sections that I applied vibrance to, and I came back in and applied lightener to those sections.
Got my heart in chains. Didn't
After handling those spots, I took her back to the shampoo bowl, shampooed those sections, came back, blow dried it again, and I was so pleased to see that the sections that I already applied vibrance on were still good. So I'm just continuing where I left off, sectioning the front parts from the back parts, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my color.
On a Saturday, sneaking out of the door like you know the way. 1,000 times before, back at light of day. I trail the smoke when you stroll, hotel corridors. I could tell with your silence. Oh, you figured it out down to a science. I did. I'd give it to you just for trying. What is a love without a heartbreak? 'Cause I know it's the price I need to pay. On the phone, on the low, by the door, you're still thinking about the night before.
First, I'm starting with my orange color. And to mix this color, I use the Aveda Vibrance line. I use tangerine, daffodil, and clear. And I basically mixed them until they turned into this tone. I did not weigh it when I used the vibrant colors. I just do it by eye until it looks like the color that I want it to be.
Playing lighter Sandro, and it feels like I'm dreaming. 'Cause I wanna know that you still see me, need me. 'Cause who knew that leaving ain't easy? What is a love without a heartbreak? 'Cause I know it's the price I need to pay. On the phone, on the low, by the door, you're still thinking about the night before. I fill in the blanks on a Sunday, and I'm stuck on the words you wouldn't say. Burning slow to the core.
All right, going in with my nice bright red. And for this color, I used poppy. And then I mixed in a little daffodil because that yellow just makes it a little more reflective, a little brighter, and clear. So that's how I got this nice, beautiful ketchup kind of red color.
That I'm bleeding and choose not to think about you and me. And I'm drowning 'cause letting you go ain't easy. What is a love without a heartbreak? 'Cause I know it's the price I need to pay. On the phone, on the low, by the door, you're still thinking about the night before. I fill in the blanks on a Sunday, and I'm stuck on the words you wouldn't say. Burning slow to the core, I don't know why I'm holding on to you just for. On a Saturday, sneaking out of the door like you know the way. 1,000 times before, back at light of day. I trail the smoke when you stroll, hotel corridors. I could tell with your silence. Oh, you figured it out down to a science. I did. I'd give it to you just for trying. What is a love without a heartbreak? 'Cause I know it's the price I need to pay. On the phone, on the low, by the door, you're still thinking about the night before. I fill in the blanks on a Sunday, and I'm stuck on the words you wouldn't say. Burning slow to the core, I don't know why I'm holding on to you just for. Got my heart in chains. Didn't know that your love's like the submarine. You come and go as you please. Why can't I escape? I wanna go catch a plane, fly to San Tropez, and it feels like I'm dreaming. 'Cause I wanna know that you still see me, need me.
After letting the color sit for about 25 minutes, I rinsed it out, and this is the hair with conditioner. It's just so beautiful. And now I'm going in and blow drying her hair. I already applied my products and I'm pre-drying. The color is really just popping and I love it so much. I didn't get any more horizontal videos because we were reaching the end of the day and we were just trying to, get done in good time. But I was so excited about this and my client was excited too, as this was her birthday hair color. Another bomb and successful birthday appointment. If you love this look just as much as I do, make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe for more videos. See you next time.
Stop to think about you.